Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report analysis video on Thursday 26th of July with me, Richard, Perry Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Gold, as ever, is my final chart, and it is interesting because I've been talking in the last few days about the fact that gold is moving sideways in this consolidation. And it may start to sort of break this selling configuration. The downtrend channel that we've had for the last month, month and a bit, is now being tested. This morning, we had an early move to the upside this morning. That has admittedly been sold into 1235. Again, 1236 has been the old key December low, which is now overhead supply. But this consolidation is sort of testing that sort of negative configuration that we have. Nothing yet in terms of decisive recovery signals. RSI is still stuck under 40. MACD lines have ticked higher a touch, but yes, still again not really showing a basing element to it, as neither are the stochastics. However, as I said, we are moving sideways. Yesterday's positive candle again tested that resistance. I talked about the fact that we're sort of moving higher and starting to sort of bottom out on these moving averages. Momentum indicators on the hourly more neutral now, between 30 and 70 on the RSI, sort of just oscillating around neutral really, on the MACD lines, on the around the zero line. So this is interesting that we've started to move sideways. I think I can probably remove that little pivot now. It's not all that relevant. However, the resistance at 1236, 1235 to 1236 is relevant. That is, as I said, the overhead supply from that old December low, which is preventing the recovery. Closing breakout above that, and you do start to get more of an improvement element to this chart. Certainly if you saw the RSI above 40 as well, it would still be a negative medium-term configuration, but still it could be a near-term recovery that we might well see. So that is what we need to look out for on the gold price today. Initial support 1222. If you lost that support of yesterday's low, you probably sort of start to lose the momentum in that potential recovery. Certainly it would happen if you went below 1218, which was Tuesday's low. So with all that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading on gold, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.